It's a well-tread path for every human being on the planet.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm soon going to be enough. I'm soon going to, uh, I'm soon going to be good enough to get this teaching. I'm certainly not good enough now,
Right.
but I believe I can make the unit good enough. Let me take away everything the unit has ever enjoyed. Let's see if that'll do it. I think that's a good way to get your unit to quit religion or philosophy or whatever you want to call it. Let the unit do what it does. You are not the unit and you can't stop it. You can see, awakeness, can see more clearly when when the patterns are thinner.
Yeah.
Patterns are so thick to begin with that if we get a pinhole glimpse, it's like this. But over time, those glimpses they get longer, and then they will become more numerous, or either way, or
Yeah.
both.
Yeah.
Actually, it'll be both, and you'll just think, I'm just almost there. I'm right on the edge. I can't believe it. I mean, I've been just so close. I mean, shoot, it's just any day now. And so, well, what are you waiting for? Oh, well, I don't get it. You don't get it? No, I don't get it. Who doesn't get it? I don't know. Who doesn't know? Now, here, the wordless. I just let go of language. I let language go. And there was the pure experience of true nature, for which there is no, or for whom, whatever you want to put it, there is no, there's no alternative, but it feels like it. It feels like it to what? To the patterns that have been pretending to be, they played their role in Fredness all these years. The sometimes my ears itch right below this thing here, and that's been there for years. And when I notice it, I have to get rid of it. But if I don't notice it, it doesn't itch. I think it quit itching. No, you just quit paying attention to it. You can make it itch again, but it won't be long if this conversation continues that I'll be itching. Abidance is not getting anything. Abidance is letting go of pretense. Just let it go. Well, how can I let it go? How do you hold on to it? Well, stop doing that.